Dear students, good morning to all. Today we learn about Cucurbitaceae family. Cucurbitaceae family classification, dicotyledons, polypetalae, calciflorae, passiflorales, Cucurbitaceae. Dicotyledons means embryo with two cotyledons, leaves with reticulate venation, pentamerous flowers are present, taproot system. Next, polypetalae. Polypetalae means important characters. Petals are free. Next, calciflorae. Important characters. Flowers are perigynous or epigynous. Ovary is generally inferior. Sepals are united, rarely free. Petals are one or two series. Next, stamens. Stamens are definite or numerous. Stamens arranged along the margin of thalamus. Next, passiflorales. Passiflorales important characters. Leaves are alternate. Presence of tendrils. Flowers are unisexual, rarely bisexual. Stamens are 5. Ovary is the inferior. And unilocular. Parietal placenta. Example, Cucurbitaceae. Okay, today topic is Cucurbitaceae. Once again, classification or systematic position. According to Bentham Hooker, dicotyledons, polypetalae, calciflorae, passiflorales, Cucurbitaceae. First of all, distribution. Cucurbitaceae is a large family composed of 110 genera and 640 species. Next, majority of Cucurbitaceae family are distributed in tropical and subtropical regions. In India, the family account for 37 genera and 90 species. Several of Cucurbitaceae are cultivated for their edible fruits. Next, Cucurbitaceae family example plants. Luffa acutangula, బీరకాయ. Larginaria vulgaris, bottle gourd, సోరకాయ. Next, Cucumis mellow, musk melon, కర్బూజా. Cucurbita pepo, గుమ్మడి. Cucurbita maxima, రెడ్ పంప్కిన్, తీయగుమ్మడి. నెక్స్ట్, మొమర్డికా చెరెన్షియా, బిటర్ గర్డ్, కాకర. నెక్స్ట్, ట్రైకోసాంథస్ స్నేక్ గర్డ్, పొట్లకాయ. Next, habit and habitat. Most of the Cucurbitaceae family members are slimbers or twinners. Next, vegetative characters. Tuberous roots are present or taproot system. Next, stems. Stems are herbaceous, branched and hollow Generally pentacular. Stems are usually covered with white bristles. The vascular bundles are bicollateral. Vascular bundles are present in 5 plus 5 arrangement. Next, leaf. Leaves are simple, exstipulate, alternate. Venation is reticulate, simple, branched. Tendrils are present. Next, floral characters. Inflorescence. Flowers are unisexual. Female flowers are solitary or axillary. Male flowers are in racemose or corium. Plants are mostly monoecious. Next, flowers. Yellow or white flowers are present. Bracteate, ebracteolate, actinomorphic, pentamerous, unisexual. Female flowers are epigynous. Once again, flowers are cucurbita. Cucurbita flowers are yellow or white color. Bracteate, ebracteolate, actinomorphic, pentamerous, and unisexual. Female flowers are epigynous. Next, calyx. Sepals are 5, gamocephalous. Estivation is valvate or imbricate estivation. Next, corolla. Petals are 5, gamopetalous. Estivation is valvate or imbricate. Petals are free in luffa or lagenaria. Petals are free. Example, luffa and lagenaria. Next, androecium. Stamens absent some species. Male flowers show 5 stamens. Stamens are 5 free alternating with corolla. Next, in lagenaria, the fused anthers are much. Anthers are dithecous. In cucurbita, the anthers of all the 5 stamens are spirally twisted in central column by their connection. Next, gynoecium. Gynoecium is absent in male flowers but present in female flowers. Tricarpellary, syncarpous, inferior, unilocular, and numerous anatropous ovules are present. Parietal placenta. Style is 1 and stigma as many as the carpels. Next, fruit. Fruit is soft berry with hard, commonly known as pepo. Cucurbitaceae fruit is pepo. Next, seed. Seeds are many. Germination. Seed germination is epigeal. Next, pollination. Entomophilous. Flowers are large, yellow colored and unisexual. Flowers are visited by insect for nectar. which is secreted by a cup disc present at the base of ovary. Okay. Next, once again, Cucurbitaceae family. Cucurbita Cucurbitaceae family classification: dicotyledons, polypetalae, calciflorae, passiflorales, Cucurbitaceae. Examples: plants: Cucumis melo, muskmelon, tarbuja. Next, Cucumis dosa, Lagenaria bottle gourd, Luffa acutangula, బీరకాయ, మోమర్డికా చెరెన్షియా కాకరకాయ, కుకుర్బిటా మ్యాక్సిమా తీయగుమ్మడి. నెక్స్ట్, ట్రైకోసాంథస్ పొట్లకాయ. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ మోమర్డికా కాకరకాయ, మోమర్డికా చెరెన్షియా. ఓకే, మోమర్డికా చెరెన్షియా, బిట్టర్ gourd. Okay, first of all, habitat. Mostly members are slimbers and twinners. Next, vegetative characters: root, taproot system, huge tuberous roots are present. Next, stems are herbaceous, branched and hollow. Generally, stems are pentacular. Stems are usually covered with white bristles. The vascular bundles are bicollateral. Next, leaves are simple. Leaves are simple, cordate. In most of case, 3 to 5 palmately lobed, exstipulate, alternate. Venation is reticulate, simple branched, tendrils are present. Next, floral characters: inflorescence, flowers are unisexual, female flowers are solitary or flowers are unisexual, female flowers are solitary and axillary, male flowers are in raceme. Plants are mostly monoecious. Next, flowers are yellow and white color, bracteate, ebracteolate, actinomorphic, pentamerous. Female flowers are epigynous. Next, calyx, sepals are 5, gamocephalous, cup shaped, estivation is valvate or imbricate estivation. Next, corolla. Petals are 5, gamopetalous, estivation is valvate or imbricate. Next, androecium. Stamens are absent in some species. Some species stamens are present. Male flowers contains 5 stamens. In Lagenaria, the fused anthers are much convoluted. Luffa anthers are sigmoid and dithecous. In Cucurbita, the anthers are in Cucurbita, 5 stamens are spirally twisted into central column by their connections. Filaments are free only at the base. Next, gynoecium. Gynoecium is absent in male flower but present in female flowers. Next, tricarpellary. Syncarpus inferior, unilacular but appearing trilacular due to intergrowth of placenta towards a century. Numerous anatropous ovules are formed on parietal placenta. Style is one and stigmas as many. Next, fruit. Cucurbita family, peppo fruit. Fruit is soft berry. Next, seeds. Seeds are many, flatted, non-endospermic. Seed germination is epigeal. Next, pollination, entomophilous. Flowers are large, yellow colored and unisexual. Next, floral formula. Floral formula. Male flowers complete, unisexual, calyx, 5 sepals and united and gamocephalous. Next, corolla, gamopetalous, androecium. Stamens are 5. Gynoecium inferior. Next, female flowers. Gynoecium male flowers low, gynoecium nil. Ovals are nil. Next, female flowers. Female flowers complete flower, unisexual. Sepals are 5 united. Corolla, 5 petals, gamopetalous. Androecium stamens are nil. Stamens are absent in female flowers. Next, gynoecium. Gynoecium inferior, tricarpellary and syncarpus. Once again, male flowers. Male flowers complete, unisexual, calyx, gamocephalous and corolla, 5 petals, gamopetalous. Next, male flowers low, stamens are 5, ununited. Next, gynoecium is absent in male flowers. Next, female flowers complete unisexual. Cephals are 5. Gamocephalus. Next, corolla 5 petals. Gamopetalous. Next, stamens are absent in female flowers. Next, gynoecium. Gynoecium is a tricarpellary, syncarpus inferior. Okay. Next, economic importance of Cucurbitaceae family. First of all, Cucurbitaceae family yield a number of fruit vegetables commonly used in kitchen. Cucurbita family yield a number of fruit vegetables. They include Lagenaria. This is Lagenaria. Okay, this is Lagenaria. Bottle gourd, sorakaya. Next, Luffa. Birakaya. Cucurbita. Cucumis. Okay. Cucurbitaceae family yield a number of fruit vegetables. They include Lagenaria, Momordica, this is Momordica, and Cucurbita and Cucumis. Okay. Next, some of plants have medicinal value. Momordica charentia is useful for diabetic patients. Momordica charentia. Momordica charentia is useful for diabetic patients. Next, this is Bira. Luffa. The dry fruit of Luffa is used as both sponge. Next, the dried shells of pumpkin and bottle gourd are used for making musical instruments like sitar. Next, important characters of Cucurbita family. Cucurbitaceae family important characters: herbaceous slimbers, sliming by means of tendrils. Leaves are simple, cordate, and alternate, reticulate venation. Next, flowers are unisexual, actinomorphic, epigynous, and monoecious. Calyx and corolla 5 each united. Stamens are usually 5, most commonly 3. Ovary is inferior, tricarpellary, syncarpus, parietal placenta. Fruit is fleshy berry with hard. Fruit is pepo. Okay. Next, once again, Cucurbita family important characters. Herbaceous slimbers are present. Leaves are simple, cordate, alternate, and reticulate venation. Flowers are unisexual, actinomorphic, epigynous. Plants are mostly monoecious. Calyx and corolla 5 each. United. Stamens usually 5. Ovary is inferior, bicarpellary, syncarpous, parietal placenta. Next, fruit is pepo. Next, questions. Essay type question example. Describe the vegetative and floral characters of Cucurbitaceae. Mention the botanical names of any 5 vegetable yielding plants. Next, short type of questions example. Androecium in Cucurbitaceae. Next, flower of Cucurbitaceae and economic importance of Cucurbitaceae. Okay, thank you.